The protests started in various parts of northern India and ended up in the capital, New Delhi. Farmers accused the government of failing to waiver their loans as promised and support higher prices for their products.
Who will the farmers speak to about their issues? If we don't tell our government about our problems, then who do we tell? Do we go to Pakistan or Bangladesh? India is an independent country and the farmers have the right to put forward their demands. There's a large population of farmers and the government must listen.